Before we begin, I'd like to thank the following members for joining my channel and helping support the community grow more and more. Thank you so much. If you would like to become a member, make sure to push the join button beside the subscribe button. And here comes the video. Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be installing Windows Whistler version 2202 on actual hardware. As you can see, I have the $5 Windows 98 laptop with me. It is the Dell Inspiron. I think it's 5500, don't quote me on that. I'll show you whenever I open it up. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. But let's go ahead and open up the laptop here and go ahead and get it started. It's the Inspiron 7500, that's what it is. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the laptop on. Oh yeah, I love that sound. Alright, so I guess first off what I'm going to do before I put the disc in is I'm going to change the date. So right click here, adjust date/time. So it's March 10th, 2000. And let's see, did I just write it wrong? I did just write it wrong. Okay, that's good that's good news. Alright, so it's asking, would I like to upgrade this version of Windows 2000? Yes, I would. Alright, let's see what happens. I wonder if this version has a new thing. Upgrade, yes, I would love to upgrade. Click next here. Loading information. I hope I don't have to go through some jank process to install this like I had to last time. Alright, let's finish. Let it restart. But I hope this actually has a new boot screen. That would be amazing. I'd love to see a new boot screen. But I guess we won't know until it happens. It's pretty much the same setup anyways as if I, installed it fresh, but I figured it's better. It's better to install like upgrades because of the drivers. It's already probably going to keep them, and some of my settings I have on there, like the background, which I probably will change after this is done installing. Please wait. No, check and drive C. At least it's going through it and it didn't freeze. Well, it's deleting a bunch of files. Oh, okay. Well, now it's copying them. I guess it is just deleting the old upgrade, or the old operating system to upgrade. Man, I love this new hard drive. It's so much faster than the old 10 gigabyte hard drive that I had on this thing. Alright, time for a time lapse while I go through this. What are your guys' thoughts on what Microsoft did with Windows Insiders? They moved the dev channel into the Canary channel, and then reset the dev channel to be completely different. Like, what are y'all's thoughts on it? While we're waiting, why don't you go ahead and push that subscribe button? It's right there. Oh, and the like button is also right there. Oh, they're all free. Oh, and the notification bell. It'll let you know anytime I go live or start recording or anything like that. So just go ahead and do that. And check out in the description. I have a link for you to support me, maybe to buy me a coffee or something, or maybe more discs. I do need more DVDs. And yeah. Also join my Discord server in case you didn't know I had one. Without further ado, let's get right back into the video. Well, it says it's saving configuration, but the hard drive light isn't on anymore. Oh, there it goes. I'll go ahead and press enter just to speed it up. I wonder if it kept the sound settings I had set for it, like the shutdown sound and stuff. Well, looks like we have the same boot screen, potentially. Yeah, it's the same boot screen. Very unfortunate. So everything is the same in this version, unless I really did copy over the wrong disk, which would suck. Again, I haven't looked into Whistler in a long time, so I don't exactly know the stuff. I don't remember it that well. Because it was a long time ago when I looked into it. Well, it is doing stuff. Alright, time for it to install devices. So I guess I don't know. I guess I'll just skip this part. There's no reason for a time lapse. It's the same every time. Alright, now it's starting to install the start menu items. Yeah. Oh, Windows 2000 is now installed. Time to restart. Alright, so we're finally booting back into Windows Whistler. I hope it installed the correct version, 2211. Whistler Windows 2001 Professional. What the heck? Well, it definitely upgraded because it's build 2211, like it said. I just wrote it wrong. So I'm a dumbo. I don't remember that version ever being existing. Windows 2001 Professional. And it says Whistler, too. I think that's the first ever time Whistler is ever mentioned. It kept my background. It's 2211. I accidentally put 2202, and I wrote 2202 on my disk. Well, it's gonna load. Alright, so we're officially in Windows Whistler version 2211. I'm going to do my research real quick and see what is new in this version because I completely forgot to look it up. The same logon as Nept? Really? Control panel and some parts of Windows Explorer have gained updates to resemble Windows Millennium. An early version of category view for control panel. Setup to this. They literally found the setup font change. It changed from Tahoma to Arial. That's crazy. Shortcuts to the hot pluggable devices. Help Center from pre-release builds of Windows Millennium has been ported to this build. Automated system recovery. Copyright date got updated from 99 to 2000. The splash screen of Outlook Express 5 also changed. Internet Explorer 5.1, actually 5.6, is now included. Watermark now includes the full build tag rather than just the build number. So, okay, the build contains a user-friendly login screen, which is seen from Neptune. To enable it, change value of logon type to 1 while functional. The shutdown button only relaunches the login screen. Shift, huh? Interesting. So there's really not that much changed in this version versus the previous version. Taskbar and start menu. Interesting. Okay. Display log off. Huh. Alright. I'm going to change the background. I don't even remember why I set it to this weird one. Okay, there it goes. Yes. There we go. Oh, hey, look, it's Windows Millennium. Is there anything else different in this, I wonder? Still, where is freaking Flying Windows at? Is it just gone forever? Everything else seems to just have kept all the settings, which is awesome. I guess I'll go ahead and change the registry to see what happens there. Okay, it just had it saved. Alright, so... local machine, software, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft. This touchpad is a little iffy. Windows. Oh, wait, no, not Windows. Windows NT. And then... current version. Win logon. And change logon type to 1. So change logon type to 1. There we go. And that's that. That's it. That's everything I can do with this. Alright, let's restart and see what happens. What did I change? Whoa, no, don't log off. Restart. Did it keep the sound? Indeed it did. The logon screen is still the same. Or not the logon screen, the boot screen. So I thought it changed the boot screen, but I guess it doesn't. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and push that notification bell so you know when I post again. And go down in the description and join my Discord server. And if you guys want to, you guys can support me. I do need more DVDs, so I can, you know, put bigger operating systems on DVDs. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys. Shut down.